Hey everyone, it's Josh from Practically Marketing, and I want to look at a new piece of software that'll help you create amazing content to help you sell your products and services and connect on a deeper level with your customers. It uses AI technology and it connects with SEO, and I think it's a little bit underrated at the moment. I think it's an amazing piece of software, and it combines many other aspects of other softwares that if you individually had to purchase them would set you back maybe around $1,500. And this software at the moment is on a lifetime deal for like $80. So it's amazing bit of software when you dig into it. And so we're going to look at that now. So let's see. Ooh, sorry. All right. So Crawlq.ai is the software. And we're going to just go into one of our projects. Okay, so this is our Naturally Abundant project, and this is where we do coaching, life coaching. And the software, we do put in our market research. So we can put in our niche that we are serving. So who is our target market? Who is it that we have our product or service offering for? And you just go in and fill out the details. If you're unsure, you can fill it with an example, or once you've filled in a few aspects, you can click on the fill with AI and it will generate answers, and then you can just adapt and put in the answers that you think is most suitable. So you just go through and you basically answer the questions one at a time, and if you need more space, just open it up. So I've just been playing around with this. I'm getting better and better at my market research and the wording. I'm using a couple of tools to do this. So I'm kind of cross-referencing, using bits and pieces from tools and playing around with it to get the final product. But as we look through this, you see there's quite a bit that we're filling in. Now, this might seem like it's going to be a bit of a chore, but really, this is what you have to do anyway. You have to do your market research. You have to know who you're speaking to be able to speak their language and speak in a way that they can relate with and they can understand. What's the point of having an amazing product or amazing service that can help heaps of people, and you're talking above their heads or in a way that they can't understand you anyway? So basically, just go through. So let's try this. So please give 2 to 3 inputs, and then they can do the audio. So I hate is a fear. Okay, so add a fact which people hate the most and describe how your solution can help them. Right? So hate living a life that seems to go against values. What's the fear? Having to continually to continually wake up and deal with a life you hate. Okay, so remember, this is my coaching consulting business. So once we've done in a few, it will try and take what I have already given it and fill in the rest. Yeah, so it's done this one. So the thought of living a life that is consumed by vanity and ego. What are they longing for? Peace and tranquility. Yeah, so it's done pretty good. I can go back and I can edit this. That's all been done. So characteristics. Yeah, so anyway, you kind of keep filling this all in. And the idea of this tool is to help you create all sorts of content that'll generate sales. It's not just a waste of time. So that's the market research. So it's pretty full on. And that is a good thing, right? Like you want to be really thorough with your market research so you know who you're talking to. So we can go and search a topic here, and we can see what our competitors are doing. So loading. So while that's loading, let's just look at some of these other tools that kind of are doing similar things, but not really the same thing. But remember, this one's price point at the moment is on a lifetime deal, $80. And if we go and look at some of these other products, we got funnel scripts. So funnel scripts, we've got all these scripts here that we can create. Right, heaps of it. And we just got to put in our avatar, so our market research. Right, so we're putting in answering there, and they're giving the same kind of thing that we're getting on Crawlq. Let's just move that on. Okay, so we find a competitor's website. Who knows? Maybe this one. Let's take this website and let's see if it does it faster. Oh, and find competitors. Okay. Well, let's just keep it going. Let's see if it will speed up. I don't think I had, last time I had a VPN on and that was slowing up the video, but we'll see. Anyway, so we'll go back to here. And so it's the same kind of thing. You got to go through pain points, the results that you're going to be able to do. And when you click build, you get a profile of who you're targeting. And then from that profile of who you're targeting, we can go into here and we can do then content creation, right? And we can do all different types of content creation in this one, funnel builders, scripts. We can do sales copies and video scripts, right? And it uses this information from our avatar or our ideal customer, who we want to serve or who we've got that solution for, to generate that. Oh, this is taking a bit long, so we'll move on. But you can see, so we can do URL content comparisons to see how we're doing against our competitors. So amazing tool. And so just as an idea, what we would do if we were, so something like Uber suggests, we can go and we can do the same kind of thing with this tool. So if we were doing competitor analysis, right, like we were going and looking up similar websites to the ones that we have, and we can put it in here. Also, Crawlq.ai, Crawlq.ai will do this. So we can look at keywords here, and we can look at where. So that will do this. Let's see. So we can do multiple keywords. And we can see what comes out of that. Okay, so the other tool is automatic script. So automatic script has the same kind of thing that the funnel scripts and Crawlq.ai has, where you've got to put in, it's asking you a whole bunch of questions. Asking you a whole bunch of questions, and you're filling in the data. Now you're getting this data from looking at keyword searches, looking at what your competitors are doing, looking at similar pages to your own, looking at the top pages that are driving traffic. And this tool will do it too. So it's, what my computer is doing to it. Maybe I'm not being very nice to it. Maybe my computer's so I'll just try that again. Okay, so it does take a little bit, it's taking a little while to get that done, but the developers, I'm sure, will be fixing that and getting that speed up, because it is trying to grab a lot of information. So yeah, once you enter in, and that creates a script, and then with this one, once we go into script, and then we put in our avatar, and we can put in our avatar that we're looking for. Oh, no, that one doesn't got it. This one, let's load that one. Oh yeah, that's better. Oh, my name. Let's put my name in. All right. So let's load your avatar, and then we go build. And it spits out our sales letter. All right, so go through. And then you use this as your template that you can then copy and paste and edit onto your actual sales pages. And remember, we're using group funnels, and so we'd use this kind of these tools to kind of fill out and create our sales page. All right, so that, copying and pasting, editing it. The thing with this is, if we don't like it, click it, and we can kind of change it up there. But nice and easy once we've done. Oops, something went wrong. I wonder what went wrong. Let's try that again. This one. Okay, cool. So now this is generated, and so we've got other trending topics here. All the search results. Okay, and it's done this cool little way of looking at it, like bigger words, got more, like a search more, trending more. So it's a cool way to show it. Yep, some competitors. Competitor graph. So who's here, shows you who our competitors are in this, for these keywords. And let's have a look. Yeah. Okay. So gives us some cool information to go do some more research of what other people are doing that is working. So that's pretty cool. Then we've got topic modeling. So we can do keyword clusters. We can check out our name for the keyword clusters that we are ranking for. So this would be the same for, if we were in Uber Suggest, what our competitors and then our organic matter and what keywords we want to keep track for our page. Now these are all new pages. Remember, I'm learning this as I go and building it, so don't worry too much about, as in, not much data coming in, but it's more just these tools that how we can get them to work for us. So this tool is, if we look at the pricing, $29 a month, or we can go to lifetime, $290. Now funnel scripts, I'm pretty sure is like the most expensive one of them all. So let's have a look. Oh, let's not do that. We just want so $7.97. And then we've got automatic scripts, which, oops, something keeps going wrong. Don't know what is going wrong, just says something's going wrong. All right, well, let's save it. And let's go back and create a script. Let's see if we can just do their automatic one. So let's go, give my script a name. Let's do the one that I've already got. Let's go for common script headlines. It's got headline things. So it's got all these different scripts that we can use. So we can do the sales letter. Okay, and straight away gives us a script that we can use for certain. So promote our course sale letter. So it's got some formula scripts that we can use as a template to work off. So if we come here, email sequence, information products. Yep, so then once we select what it is that we are actually wanting to do our script for, so say we want to do the sales letter, so it gives us the preview, and then we, fill out all those answers, so we can fill with examples and create that script. Hopefully it's not going to give us an error this time, but let's see how much this one is. So automatic script. So $39 a month or $69 a month for this tool. So it saves you lots of time if you're creating lots of content, and like you saw, it can do a whole lot. And now, so there's our sales letter. So once you fill out the information, then it goes through. And so you can edit and adapt this, but at least it gives you the template. It gives you kind of a good working script to go off, and you can just fill in to what your own market research has told you. But it's not going to do the market research for you. And the same with funnel scripts. It's not going to do the market research for you. You do the market research. So really useful tools to speed up that process. But you would still need to do market research. And so you would need to go on and, you can Facebook groups, forums, Reddit, Quora, all these kind of places where people are engaging and asking questions and searching for answers and solutions, these SEO, Google Trends. You'd use all this for your market research. What is actually being consumed and viewed? YouTube, checking what videos are being watched. You could use all this for market research. And then you could put them into these tools. So, $300 plus a monthly subscription, or if you can get this on a lifetime deal, maybe like $100 or 67, so just under, maybe like 80. And then $800. So you're looking at like $1,100 for those ones. And this one, at the moment, discovery topic. So Crawlq.ai is currently on a lifetime deal that makes it super affordable. So it's got scripts in here. So funnel scripts, email scripts, webinar scripts, cold call scripts. So lots of different landing page, headlines. So it's got lots of different categories for scripts as well, just like our sales copy tools. It's got ability to put in URL and get a summary. It can rewrite text to help you get better rankings and emotionally connect with your customers. It can then so you put in your content idea, and you can fill this out. Let's fill with examples. Again, if you've no, it doesn't have to fill with AI. Sorry, I was thinking maybe it did, but this is the AI one. So let's just keep that working. Anyway, so if we go over to the AppSumo AppSumo store, and we check out, let's go and see what it came up with. And go here and look at what is actually what's going on. Let's see. Is it still on here? Let's go here because I purchased it. So let's have a look. Yep, $79. So it has an amazing value, and it's only $79 American at the moment. And it helps you with automation. It helps you rank with SEOs. It helps you to get content that will encourage your customers to buy. Now, with the base package, you get access into the community and they'll help you read through and check your work. They're really supportive. And I guess after the next one up from the lifetime deal, they actually have content writers and helpers that can go through and proof check and walk you through all the process. Being that you use the tool, put in your use it to research, put in the basic information that you have, and then they will help you optimize it even more. So much so that they're guaranteeing success. Okay, so this is the blog blog outline that they've done to help us. And then they've got, what's overview and what's ranking and where's that website coming from to help us to then fill in the details. So although it's not doing it all for us, it's giving us so much information to go off, right, that we could just copy and paste and adapt slightly. Paragraphs, and we could put this into every writer if we wanted to. But this is all stuff that's, what people are searching, what people are looking at. So it's giving us real-time analysis of what's going on, and giving us so much content ideas. So it's just making the whole process a lot easier. So find a niche. Yeah, that's what we've put in before. All right, that's what we've gone in before. Okay, so yeah, content writer, and then we can look at it and we can get our content optimized so that we can rank higher and that we can beat our competitors. And then it's got its own SEO tool as well that we can put in, and it will analyze our website, much like what Ubersuggest and other SEO tools are doing. So it's a combination of funnel scripts, automatic scripts, Ubersuggest, and because it's generating base ideas, it's kind of we put in another tool that's being used, Nichesss, in their blog tool. We can go in here and it's not different. So we just put in something that we want to generate. And this one will come up with an AI generated little intro. Done, and we can view that. Right, so this is kind of doing very similar things. It's kind of mixing, not exactly, but it's kind of mixing a little bit of a few different programs. The Nichesss is also on a lifetime deal at the moment, so we can have a look at that one. $59. So for $79, okay, so you're getting a little bit of what this tool does, Nichesss. You're getting a little bit of what Ubersuggest does. You're getting a little bit what automatic scripts does, and you're doing a little bit of funnel scripts, and it's all in the one tool. They're constantly developing this, and you can go into then their community page. Let's see, log in. And all for $79. So I don't know how many other people, like, it doesn't seem to have the same, let's go here, like the same kind of 195 reviews, the same engagement, 31. 115 questions, 113, yeah, so it's good. So it just doesn't have as much, 31 reviews, as many reviews. But it's an amazing tool. You can get 5 users, 10 workspaces, 10,000 pages that it can help you with. It does research on your niche and the ideal customer. It does research on your competitors. It looks at your actual website and how it's laid out. It looks at, like, it can help you then create the content using its AI copywriter, and it optimizes for sales and like free traffic. $79. Yeah, so very, very interesting tools. And like I said, it's a bit of funnel scripts, it's a bit of automatic scripts, it's a bit of like SEO tool, Uber suggests, it's a bit of like content, AI content creators like Nichesss, all in one, and it's only $79 at the moment on the lifetime deal. That may change. I don't know when they're planning on taking that off. But yeah, it's got an active community. It's got the founder. It's constantly talking and engaging and running webinars and helping people. They do free walkthrough of the software to help you get started if you need that. Like, it's really quite a useful tool. So let's go to their website. Let's see. And it's the Quanta Mix Solutions, because it's not going to be on the lifetime deal forever. Let's see. So this is a page. And let's see what it's going to be. So at the moment, yeah, there's their lifetime deal, basic. So you can get their lifetime deal straight from their website. That's cool. It goes you through. And then after that, it's going to be $366 a month for an advanced user, $741 a month for a pro user, and over $1,000 for a premium. Now, what's the major differences here? The workspaces, the users, and the pages that it can do. It's just got a little few workspaces. So workspaces being like your domain. So the online properties, I think they call that. So when you get up, they do on-demand one-on-one support for these top tier. That's the cost they're going to go for it. And the other ones get the email and chat support. And they get an exclusive community. But everyone else gets it's the same stuff, it's just not as much. So for small businesses, for $79 for a lifetime, this tool is amazing value. It's from the Netherlands. Yeah. Anyway, so just wanted to show that tool because I don't think as many people are understanding just how valuable that tool is. So if you've used that tool, drop a comment in and tell me what you think of it. If you haven't used it, why not check it out? You got money back guarantee, 60 days, and I'll put the descriptions in the link below, and I'll put the links to these other softwares that you may want to check out and see for yourself, see if there's something that you could get benefit from. If you like this video, press like, please, and if you want any more videos like this, let us know what it is that you're interested in, and we'll see what we can do. If you want to get notifications of any other videos, hit that bell. And yeah, just thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out this Crawlq. Let's see, what is it? The Crawlq.ai. Very interesting. Anyway, thanks guys and girls. Enjoy.